Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 3.3 Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening from Standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 3.3 स्टॉपिंग बाय वूड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इव्हिनिंग या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. पुट ट्रू मार्क इन फ्रंट ऑफ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट और फॉल्स मार्क इन फ्रंट ऑफ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. खाली दिलेल्या विधानापैकी सत्य विधानासमोर बरोबर चिन्ह द्या व असत्य विधानासमोर चूक चिन्ह द्या. क्वेश्चन ए. द स्पीकर स्टॉप्स टू वॉच रेन फॉलिंग अमॉंग द ट्रीज. Answer: false. B. The owner of the woods is known to the speaker. Answer: true. C. The horse is worried about the cold and wants to keep going. Answer: false. D. The speaker doesn't emphasize upon the beauty of woods he is passing through. Answer: false. Next question. Question number 2. Find out a line or lines from the poem as a proof for the following explanation. खाली दिलेल्या स्पष्टीकरणाकरिता पुरावा म्हणून कवितेतून ओळी शोधून लिहा. A. There is no one to catch the speaker trespassing. Answer: he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. B. The little horse draws his master's attention. Answer: he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. C. His horse seems anxious to keep going. Answer: my little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. D. The speaker prefers to stay but is forced to move onwards. Answer: but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Question E. The poem is set in an bygone era. Answer: he gives his harness bells a shake shows that the poem is set in the bygone era. Next question. Question number 3. The poem is believed to have a reference to the poet's life itself. मित्रांनो, या कवितेला कवीच्याच जीवनाचा संदर्भ आहे असे मानले जाते. What could the following signify? Choose from the bracket below. आणि खाली दिलेल्या गोष्टीचा काय अर्थ असू शकतो ते कंसातून निवडा. कंसातील शब्द ड्युटीज अँड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, ओल्ड एज, लाईफ, डेथ, एव्हरलास्टिंग पीस. Answer: A. The speaker's journey. Answer: life. B. Snowy evening. Answer: old age. C. Lovely deep dark woods. Answer: everlasting peace. D. Promises. Answer: duties and responsibilities. E. Sleep. Answer: death. Next question. Question number 4. Tell whether the rhyme scheme of the following stanzas is right or wrong. खाली दिलेल्या कडव्यांची यमक योजना योग्य आहे की अयोग्य आहे ते सांगा. फॉर द रॉंग राईम स्कीम गिव्ह द करेक्ट वन. आणि चुकीच्या यमक योजनेसाठी बरोबर यमक योजना सांगा. Answer: A. Stanza 1 rhyme scheme AABA. Answer: right. B. Stanza 2 rhyme scheme BBCB. Answer: wrong. Correct rhyme scheme AABA. C. Stanza 3 rhyme scheme CCDC. Answer wrong. Correct rhyme scheme AABA. D. Stanza 4 rhyme scheme DDED. Answer wrong. Correct rhyme scheme AAAA. Next question. Question number 5. Give your own rhyming words for the following. खाली दिलेल्या शब्दांसाठी तुमच्या स्वतःचे यमक जुळणारे शब्द सांगा. Answer A. House, mouse. B. Woods, goods. C. Easy, lazy. D. Wind, skinned. E. Dark, mark. Yup, watch, match. Next question. Question number 6. Match the lines of the poem with their figures of speech. खाली दिलेल्या कवितेच्या ओळी व त्यांचे योग्य अलंकार यांच्या जोड्या लावा. Answer 1. Whose woods these are? I think I know. Answer inversion 2. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Answer alliteration 3. And mice to go before I sleep, and mice to go before I sleep. Answer repetition 4. My little horse must think it queer. Answer personification. Next question. Question number 7. Match the words given in group A with their meanings in group B. मित्रांनो, खाली A गटामध्ये दिलेले शब्द आणि B गटामध्ये दिलेले त्यांचे अर्थ यांच्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. Answer 1. Mistake means error. 2. Downy flakes means soft snow falling. 3. Woods means jungle. 4. Queer means strange. Next question. Question number 8. Complete the following web diagrams by adding suitable describing words in the boxes. खाली दिलेल्या शब्दांचे योग्य वर्णन करणारे शब्द भरून खालील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. The one is done for you. एक उदाहरण तुम्हाला सोडून दाखवलेले आहे. Answer wind. Describing words cool, hot, harsh, strong and beating. Next word evening. Describing words warm, late, pleasant, beautiful and darkest. Next question. Question number 9. Pick out lines from the poem that contain imagery. Write them in your notebook. या कवितेतील ज्या ओळीमध्ये कल्पना वापरलेली आहे अशा ओळी शोधा व तुमच्या वहीत लिहा. Answer 1. My little horse must think it queer. 2. Between the woods and the frozen lake. 3. The darkest evening of the year. 4. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. And 5. To watch his woods fill up with snow. Next question. Question number 10. Prepare a set of questions to interview. खालील मुद्द्यावर मुलाखत घेण्यासाठी प्रश्नांचा एक संच तयार करा. A. A person who has just returned from a trek in the woods. नुकतीच जंगल प्रवास करून परत आलेल्या एका व्यक्तीची मुलाखत. Answer 1. What inspired you to take up the trek? 2. How was your experience in the woods? 3. Which strange things did you find in the woods? 4. Did you encounter any wild animals? What was your feeling then? 5. Name the plants in the wood. 6. How did you manage to get your food, water, and other essential things? 7. What difference did you find in the woods and the place where you live? 8. Were you able to fulfill your expectations from this visit? 9. What should be your role to conserve the woods? 10. Any advice for the youngsters who wishes to undertake such expeditions? Next question. Question B. A person who has recently scaled Mount Everest. अलीकडेच माउंट एव्हरेस्ट सर केलेल्या व्यक्तीची मुलाखत. Answer 1. How did you feel when you have been on the top of the world? 2. How do you prepare yourself before the climb? 3. What did you do to stay fit when you were at the base? 4. What food did you take along with you while climbing? 5. What was the most difficult part of your ascent? 6. What was the most memorable incident of your journey? 7. What are the health problems that a mountaineer can suffer during the ascent? 8. Which peak do you next look forward to conquer? And 9. What message would you give to the youngsters? अशा प्रकारचे प्रश्न आपण विचारू शकतो. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 3.3 स्टॉपिंग बाय वूड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इव्हिनिंग या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.